Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. In this video, let us see the differences between activation energy and threshold energy. Activation energy is the energy required to form an intermediate in a reaction. It is denoted as EA. The collision in which the molecules collide with sufficient kinetic energy is called threshold energy. It means entry point for a particular reaction. In a reaction, activation energy is equal to threshold energy minus energy possessed by reactants. But for threshold energy, which is equal to activation energy plus energy possessed by reactants. It is lesser than threshold energy, but for threshold energy, it is always greater or sometimes it is equal to activation energy. It is the extra energy needed for molecules to overcome energy barrier. But for threshold energy, it is the entry level energy needed for reacting molecules to get products. Let us see these differences in better way.